Hey, Tim Unkert from HTML Tim here. In this video, I want to highlight two light UI themes that I think are really cool for the Pulsar text editor. So a lot of developers nowadays, they tend to like the darker theme, but some people like myself, especially if I'm working in a light environment, I like the light theme. And I have astigmatism, and for people who have astigmatism, sometimes the lighter theme is the better theme for your eyes. So I have the syntax theme here. This is notepad++, which I've highlighted in a previous video. I think this is a great syntax light theme. But then I have this theme here. It's very minimal and very nice. This is, let me bring up my themes here. This is the Unity UI theme, okay? So the Unity UI theme, it has these nice kind of minimal tab bars here. Now this menu here is something I covered in the last video. It's the title bar replacer, so you might want to watch that if you want to set this up. But yeah, so you got these minimal tabs here. Got a minimal status bar here with some stuff here. Now another theme that's very, very similar is the native UI theme. So let's switch to that one and check it out. And you see that maybe the tab, the non-current tab is a little darker. But again, this is about the same here. Difference is in the status bar. You see the GitHub, it's a little darker. Not really sure which one I like more. They're both pretty cool. But yeah, so those are two great light UI themes you can try out. So if you want to install them, you just go to install here in your settings, Control comma to get to your settings, type in native, and you get this native UI. You would get the option to install it. I've already installed it, of course. Or if you wanted to try out Unity, just type in Unity, and you got the Unity UI, and again, you'd have the option to install it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.